If you follow me on Facebook, you probably saw me go on a rant about the terrible service I got from 3 telephone system companies, and it got me thinking about customer service. And I want to share these thoughts with you today and tomorrow. Stay tuned. Colin, receiver here, and welcome to the March 7th edition of the Patient Attraction Podcast. Last month, I contacted 3 companies about doing some work here on our office phone system. And these were companies that actually Facebook friends of mine recommended to me. I left message for 2 of the companies, never got a call back. The 3rd company, I talked to somebody for a few minutes. We agreed on a time to meet here at the office, and he no-call, no-showed. All 3 of these companies deserve to fail. That got me thinking about researching customer service, and I want to give you 5 ways that dentists and dental staffs can give excellent customer service. Number 1, be honest. This is the most fundamental part of patient retention. Tell people what they need and the options for meeting them where they're at. Be truthful even when it's not in your best interest, and always keep your promises. Don't say you can or will provide something that you just flat out know you can't. Number 2, pay attention. Do you listen to patients or do you just hear them? Is that true for your scheduler, your hygienist, your front desk coordinator, your insurance lady? Just as importantly, are you picking up on what patients aren't saying and reading between the lines? Sometimes you have to ask the right questions if you want to get the right answers. Number 3, be positive even when the patient isn't. This means being friendly to someone who's belligerent or angry. This is where you show your compassionate side. You empathize with them for somebody that's acting out. Reasonable people only act out on their dentist for a few reasons: worry, fear, anxiety, money, maybe a few others. Sometimes it has nothing to do with you at all. That person's just having a bad day. Stay positive and assure the patient you'll take care of their issues. Let them know that you're on their side and want whatever's upsetting them to be resolved as quickly as possible. After all, you're in the business of creating smiles, not frowns. Number 4, along those lines, be patient. No one wants to feel like they're being rushed out the door. Take time to listen to your patient's concerns, needs, and wants. You'll spend a little bit more time up front, but it's going to save you a lot of time on the back end. And finally, just go above and beyond. This is how you create patients that are going to pay, stay, and refer. When you do more than's expected, you not only keep your patients, but you create patients who will sing your praises and refer you to their family and friends. I've told you in previous podcasts how valuable patient retention and referrals are, and it's that little extra that takes the ordinary to extraordinary. Today we talked about the customer service do's. Come back tomorrow. I want to talk about the don'ts. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Keep moving forward.